Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and before I get into today's video, I would like to give a quick shout out to a very good friend of mine and great artist, and that is Johnny. So Johnny has the YouTube channel JM Art with Detail. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. Please do go and check out Johnny's channel if you haven't already, and subscribe. He is a really great friend of mine and a great artist, and he has loads of different videos on his channel, so please go and show him some support if you haven't already. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am reviewing the Faber Castell Polychromos pencils. Now these are one of my favourite brands of pencils and one of my go-to pencils, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a little review on them for you. So I am actually showcasing the set of 120 pencils, which is the largest set in the Polychromos pencil range, and you actually get 3 trays of pencils in a great range of colours and pigments. So I bought these pencils from Amazon, and you can actually buy these as individuals or in smaller sets if you just want to try them out and save a bit of money, or you can obviously buy the full set of the Polychromos, even treat yourself to the Polychromos in a special wooden case as well. Now the main reason why I love these pencils is because of their Lightfast rating. So the fact that these pencils are resistant to fading over time, and 102 of the 120 pencils have the highest Lightfast rating, with the rest being a good rating. So aside from the excellent Lightfast rating, these pencils are so well made. They have a thick wooden barrel, excellent wood casing, a sturdy centered lead, and a protective barrel on the end of these pencils, which is such a huge contrast to the Prismacolor pencils, which I'm showing on the screen right now. The Faber Castell pencils are far superior to the Prismacolor pencils. I haven't experienced a single breakage with them. They are so easy to use, and I especially love these pencils for animal drawings due to the level of detail you can get with them. There are so many colours to choose from, so a lot of vibrant colours, but also a more natural, neutral and earthy tones too. So there is one pencil that I'm not too keen on, and that is the white pencil. So I would strongly recommend that you invest in buying the white pencil from the Caran D'ache Luminance range. I do think that there is a much more superior white pencil to the Faber Castell Polychromos white pencil. The Faber Castell pencils also sharpen extremely well and to an extremely sharp point. So I love using the manual sharpener by Derwent to sharpen these pencils, and I love how well the pencils sharpen and hold that sharp point as well. So in terms of using the Faber Castell pencils now, they lay down extremely well. They are an oil-based pencil but still have quite a soft lead, making for easy blending, but they are also fantastic for getting super fine details into drawings too. So that is why they are especially good for animal and detailed drawings. These pencils also work really well with a solvent, so I'm just laying down some yellow and orange pencils from my set of pencils, and when you apply a solvent they blend out so well and so smoothly, so if you are drawing say animals, you can go back in and add a lot of fine details like fur strands and highlights afterwards. So the fact that these pencils work so well with a solvent also means that you can preserve the pencils as well, because you use less pencils than you would say if you were using the burnishing method. So all in all, I think the Faber Castell Polychromos pencils are a great investment, particularly if you are a professional or perhaps doing drawing commissions or really wanting to refine your drawing skills. They are a little bit on the expensive side though, coming in at around £150 for this set, so if you do want to save a little bit of money and just practice drawings, then the Prismacolors may be a better option for you. But in terms of price range, the Faber Castell pencils are in between the Prismacolors and the Caran D'ache Luminance pencils, with the Luminance pencils being the most expensive at around £200. So it really is up to you what pencils you choose and use. But I really hope that you enjoyed this review video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. I upload art related videos 3 times a week, and I have a list of all of the materials, products and equipment that I use in the description box down below. But anyway, I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye everyone!